Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kynhun Bapher ki bakantup ya ka Bosco Integrated Development Society, ka Childline Shillong, ka Faith Foundation, ka Grassroots Shillong, ka Northeast Network, ka Reach Shillong Ministries, ka Spark, ki samla pule jonga Indian Institute of Professional Studies, bat kantupru ya ki samla pule jonga Martin Luther Christian University, lembat ki samla pule jonga St. Edmunds College, bat ka Women's College, haga khat khandai tarik urisau arjar khat khandai, kilai shimenta haga jing Ïaid Paidbah da ka jing jarjar, ban pensung thu shaki Paidbah, ya ka Jingma ka Ktah, ya ki Kynthei ki Kynhun. Yagani ke Ïaid Paidbah berjar-jar la pledo SP traffic u BD marak u balalong u kongsan bat u balapan pau bakalong ke badon kamban ai jing hikai ya ki Paidbah halor ke Jingma ka ba ap ya ka imlang ka salang nagadao ke jingjelei ki nong khai brio khamtam ya ki Kynthei ki Kynhun. Ka Batisi TV hak jing ekran bat ka kong Shannon Masar kalapan pau bakani ka dai ka sien ba nengkong balapan long hapo kani ka nong ba Shillong ban pen sengo Paidbah ya ka Jingma ka ba ap ya ki Kynthei nagadao ke jingjelei jong ki Kynhun ki ba khai brio.
That all over the world, in many parts of the world, this work for freedom against modern slavery, which is known as contemporary slavery or new slavery. But I'll tell you, I'll not take your much time, I'll tell you, you are going to set a step towards something called a noble cause. But I'll tell you, to be a change, you should free your mental slavery first. And please start making your bed when you wake up in the morning. That is the first change which you should adopt. Okay? Make your own bed and make a change in the world. Slavery still exists. In the 21st century, people like you and I, bought and sold as commodities, people like you and I, in this city, and in this nation. But you and I are here today. We refuse to just talk about injustice, to simply post about it. Instead, we are here together in strength and numbers. We have the power to change the statistics, and we are changing them right now. This is our walk for freedom, a walk for justice, and human dignity, a walk for hope and restoration. From Australia to Argentina, India to Israel, Malaysia to Mexico, the United States to the United Kingdom. We will abolish slavery with each step. Let's never forget that we don't just say it, we believe it. A world without slavery is possible. While human trafficking is destroying lives, we know that freedom will have the final word. One step at a time, we will see more people reach. One step at a time, we will see more victims rescued. One step at a time, we will see more survivors restored. Slavery still exists. But we will abolish it everywhere. Forever. Thank you.
Ini ka walk nama ba ban yo slow ban so thu iki ban bring about awareness na banta ka human trafficking la ni ka modern day slavery. Tikani ka walk for freedom na sedang ka NGO ka bana nang thina na bahar mo ka A21. Tikani ka A21 pada kaya tie up pada kaya partner lang baka ini ka organization The Movement ka pada Bombay. Ti kumta ni this is the first time yang kabangi le kani ka program hang ni kanya kani the walk for freedom kan, and it's happening in about 9 cities. Shillong is one of the cities. Di kumta kum hang ni ha Shillong ha Shillong ni ti kidan kini ki NGOs ki fi te ka bits ka bosco Integrated Development Society, but the Childline Shillong, ti mangi Faith Foundation, Northeast Network, Grassroots, ki Reach Ministries, Spark, nang tapre kum ki colleges St. Edmunds College, ko Women's College, ka Indian Institute of Professional Studies, pat ka Martin Luther Christian University, yang ka bangin ayawan lang ban, penlong ya ka Walk for Freedom.
Aja.